Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our Boxycharm monthly unboxing. Did I say that right? We're doing this month's Boxycharm unboxing. I get the base box, which is $25, and that you get 4 to 5 full-size products. And every month you get an option of being able to choose one of your products, and I did. I don't remember all the options, but I know one of the products that are in here. So as soon as you open it, you get a little pamphlet and it tells you this month's theme as well as the products you're receiving in the box and the retail value. So this month is Spellbound, for obvious reasons, Halloween. So as soon as you open it, all of the products are right here. The first product that I see is the product that I chose this month. Just give me a second, let me just open this really quickly. So this is the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. I don't remember the other options like it said, but I remember seeing this and knowing I wanted to try it. I've heard really good things about Beauty Bakery, but I haven't tried any of their products, so I thought it was a good opportunity and chance to getting it. And this is the little sleeve it comes with, and this is what the palette looks like. And with this, you get 4 really pretty highlighter shades. There's a pink, a bronzy, I assume this is a champagne, and then a really beautiful peach. I love a really good pink highlighter, so I'm really excited seeing how well this goes on in the formula. So we will test this out later on, but this I'm really excited about. I do really love the packaging. So I'm just gonna put this off to the side, and that product retails you for $38. The next product that I see is from Laura Geller. This is her Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer. It's a hydrating, moisturizing, and replenishing primer. So this is Farewell Dry Flaky Skin. So it's supposed to be a 2-in-1 with moisturizer and primer to help you save time on your beauty regimen. So I'm assuming this is just, obviously it says it, moisturizer and a primer. And yeah, this retails you for $32. I'm kind of curious. I've heard a lot of really good things about Laura Geller's Spackle primer, but I think back in the day she had another one that people really loved, and I've never tried it out. So let me just do a little pump. I don't want to waste product. It smells really nice. It just goes on like a lotion. Yeah, it smells like just a moisturizer. Doesn't feel sticky, doesn't feel tacky, no shiny residue. So I'm kind of curious to see how well this works. My skin is combination, but I tend to get a little dry from time to time, so I will try that out when my skin is really dry to see how well that works. The next product are some lashes, and these look like really beautiful everyday natural lashes. They kind of remind me of the Ardell Wispies, just a little shorter, right? Yeah, these look a little shorter. So these retail you for $25. It just says most natural lash in the collection and is perfect for women who wants to keep it real with her beauty. Soft, light whisper lash that looks perfect on all eye shapes. So I've never heard of this brand. This is Camera Antique Beauty. So I'm kind of curious to see how that works. I do like a natural lash from time to time, but I usually want something a little longer, so I'm hoping this is gonna look good. Not really sure, but we'll try that out too. The next product is from Tint, T-Y-N-T. It's a lash and brow duo. Okay, so this retails you for $29, and it says it solves the endless search for mascara and brow gel in the abyss of your makeup bag. It combines 2 products in one. The mascara is created with a smooth, oil-rich formula with a strong color payoff, leaving your lashes longer, naturally fuller looking, thick without being clumpy. And the brow gel is supposed to be fine and creamy with enough color to achieve hair-like strokes. Okay, it's a lot of 2-in-1s today. So let's see. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. I'm not going to open this right now because I have mascara and I have brow gels that I'm currently using. When I'm done using those up, then I will test this out and see how it goes. I just don't want to open it up because I'm not ready to use it, but I'm kind of curious to see how all this works out. So I'll be trying that out very, very soon. And the last product is a liquid eyeliner. This is from Appeal. This is the Jet Black Liners. This retails you for $29. And it's just supposed to be another eyeliner. Again, like I said, I also have an eyeliner that I am using currently. So I don't want to open this until I'm ready. I'm just one of those people where I'm not going to open something if I don't need to use it right away. But I have received a few Appeal products from Boxycharm, and everything I've received from them I have really, really liked. So I have pretty high expectations for this. So we will see. So I'm pretty excited about this box. The two products that I won't be using for a while are these two right here. It's the Lash and Brow Duo and the eyeliner, just because I'm currently using things like I said, and I'm really curious to seeing how well this primer is going to work out. I feel like I can never have enough primers, and the fact that this is going to be a nice hydrating one. My skin gets a little dry from time to time, so looking forward to trying that out. But I'm really, really excited about this palette. I cannot wait to try it out and use it and see how well it goes on. Heard nothing but good things about this brand in general, so I'm just excited. But that is it for this quick little unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.